Hello, welcome, my dear listeners, to another episode. In this episode, we are going to discuss about the health benefits of garlic. So, what's so special about garlic? Well, prepare to be amazed as we uncover the hidden gems within this humble bulb and explore its remarkable effects on the health and well-being. Garlic has been used for centuries not only as a flavor enhancer, but as a natural remedy for countless ailments. From its potential to boost your immune system to its heart protective properties, garlic is truly a superhero in the world of nutrition. But that's not at all. We have got some insider tips and tricks, recipes, and even some jaw-dropping facts about garlic that will leave you speechless. Now, stay tuned for an exciting journey into the world of garlic, and let's explore how this simple aromatic ingredient can truly transform your health and well-being. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a review. Your feedback is like garlic to our podcast. It brings us and it keeps us strong and vibrant. Now back to the podcast. So garlic helps boost your body's immune system. Your body's immunity is what keeps it from getting sick in the first place. And it also aids in the a fight against illness when the situation calls for it. Garlic offers an immune system boost to help prevent colds and the flu virus. Children get 6 to 8 colds each year, while adults get 2 to 4. Eating raw garlic can protect against cough, fever, and cold illness. Eating 2 chopped garlic cloves every day is the best way to benefit. In some households around the world, families hang garlic cloves on a string around their children's neck to prevent them from congestion. Garlic helps reduce high blood pressure. Strokes and heart attacks are two of the most significant health concerns worldwide. High blood pressure is a considerable risk factor for heart disease. It's thought to about 70% of strokes, heart attacks, and chronic heart failure. High blood pressure is the cause of 13.5% of deaths worldwide. Because they are among the significant causes of death, addressing one of their primary causes, high blood pressure, is extremely important. Garlic is a fantastic spice to include in your diet for those suffering from high blood pressure or hypertension. However, even if you are not a lover of garlic, taking garlic supplements will still give you the health benefits such as lowering your high blood pressure, treating fever, and many more. Keeping in mind that you must make sure that the amount of these supplements you take is the same as 4 cloves as garlic each day. Be sure to talk to your doctor before you start taking any supplements. Garlic supplements may improve your athletic performance. Garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. Ancient civilizations used garlic to reduce fatigue and improve the work capacity of laborers. Olympic athletes in ancient Greece consumed garlic to improve their performance, while rodent studies have shown that garlic helps with exercise performance. There have been very few human studies. Now, a recent study found that garlic didn't improve cyclists' performance in a 40-kilometer time trial. However, it may have reduced exercise-related oxidative stress and muscle damage. A small 2015 study also noted that garlic supplements might increase oxygen capacity during exercise, but more research is needed to confirm this potential benefit. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from metal toxicity, basically heavy metal toxicity. Allicin in garlic can help reduce levels of lead in your blood and vital organs. A 2012 study involving employees at a car battery plant who had excessive exposure to lead found that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by 19%. It also reduced many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and high blood pressure. 3 doses of garlic each day even outperformed the drug D-benzylamine in reducing symptoms. Garlic may improve bone health. A few recent studies have measured the effects of garlic on bone health, specifically in women after menopause. Results of a clinical trial published in 2017 showed that garlic can reduce oxidative stress that leads to osteoporosis. The participants took garlic tablets equal to about 2 grams of fresh garlic per day. A 2018 study found that 18 weeks of garlic supplements, 1 gram per day, helped reduce pain in women with knee osteoarthritis and obesity or overweight. Garlic and the role of its properties in brain cancer. Organosulfur compounds found in garlic have been identified as effective in destroying the cells in glioblastomas. That's a type of a deadly brain tumor. Scientists at the Medical University of South Carolina reported in the journal Cancer that 3 pure organosulfur compounds from garlic, DAS, DADS, and DATs demonstrated efficacy in eradicating brain cancer cells, but DATs proved to be most effective. Co-author Ray Swapan, PhD, said that this research highlights the great promise of plant-originated compounds as natural medicine for controlling the malignant growth of human brain tumor cells. More studies are needed in animal models of brain tumors before applications of this therapeutic strategy to brain tumor patients. High levels of cholesterol or other fats, lipids in the blood, hyperlipidemia. Taking garlic by mouth daily for at least 8 weeks might reduce total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein, LDL, which is bad cholesterol, in people with high cholesterol levels. But any benefit is probably small, and taking garlic doesn't help increase high-density lipoprotein, HDL, good cholesterol, or lower levels of other blood fats called triglycerides. Garlic clears up the skin. Garlic's antibacterial properties and antioxidants can clear up the skin by killing acne-causing bacteria. One study shows rubbing raw garlic over pimples can clear them away. Be aware though that garlic could cause a burning sensation on the skin. Consult your dermatologist first before trying this technique, especially if you are using any other skincare products. Garlic protects your food. Those same antibacterial properties in fresh garlic can easily kill the bacteria that lead to food poisoning, including Salmonella and E. coli. Don't use garlic as a substitute for proper food sanitation and food handling though. Garlic treats athlete's foot. Garlic also fights fungus. If you have athlete's foot, soak your feet in garlic water or raw garlic. Rub with raw garlic on your feet to attack the itch causing fungus. Okay, so now I'm going to end the podcast over here. I hope you liked the episode. Please feel free to share it among your friends and family. And please leave the comment down below. It really means a lot to us. I'll see you in the next episode. Excuse me. Take care. Bye-bye.